Alright people, I got a plan for a GS that I like. GS is set up to test 238 to 240. The August 18, 232 and a half or 230 calls could be used. 227 will be a key support to hold on this trigger. I will explain in the video. So yeah, people, what is basically, even when we're entering the stock may need to chop around, but if either it's going to test 227 or we're going to confirm and that will be a support. All right, now, so let's talk about the confirmation because the stock is ready, but I want to see some follow through power. So Goldman Sachs needs to break above 230 and a half on some good action volume. And good action volume is 300K on a 10-minute chart. Now if the volume isn't there, I'll explain the video the facts. If the volume isn't there, people, we'll watch for basing above 230 and a half and look for power towards 231 to 231 and a half. Okay, so keep that in mind. Let's go take a look at the options. All right, here we are at the Yahoo Finance, and Goldman Sachs closed up $5.80 on August the 4th. All right, what I have up here is the August 18, 2017 options. Let's take a look at these. These are the ones that I'm looking for, and I'll explain to you why I like these. So as you can see, with the 230s, there's a good tight spread, about 10 cents, and you've got good open interest here and good trading. And of course, these 232 and a half, same thing. There was good trading here and good open interest. Of course, even the 235s. Now, again, people, I want to make another point. If you could use either the 230s, the 232 and a half, or the 235s. The thing about the 235s that I'm looking at here is they trade with a very tight spread. So what I might do is reference the 235 calls for the entry of this plan. Okay, again, these are August 18, and you know what? These could make some good money. And GS really moves. These can make good money. This could turn to $4 a piece, which is $400. That's what it means. When I say buy at $1, it really means $100. So, for example, right now, you're controlling 100 shares of Goldman Sachs for $100. And of course, if you go up higher, if you want to use it again, now if you go with the 230s, right, you're more in the money, but they're going to cost more. They might cost $325. You know, it doesn't really, I'll be honest with you, they are all good, whether you use the 230, but I prefer these, but you know what, I think I'm going to talk about, to be honest with you, I prefer going in more closer. So I'm going to reference the 232 and a halves when I talk about confirmation, but again, you could use these as well. All right, people. So let's, all right, people. Welcome to Power Target Trades, the place where I post powerful, detailed plans. See the standard power trigger trade at the end of the video. It's going to appear here in a circle format. Simply click on it. It's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. You know, people, I make a lot of great plans. You should check out my Tesla plan here. See Tesla special earnings August the 2nd. You know, this was, you got to listen to this plan, but we made some good money in this already. And the instructions here were really bang on. Made great money in this. This is something very few professionals could be able to make a plan this detailed and powerful. That if you follow what it explained, it really was easy. Plus, I even backed it up, telling people to buy the dip. And when they bought the dip, whoever bought that dip made money right out of the gate. Right out of the gate. All right, people. I'm gonna post this over here. At the end of the video for you to see over here, for you to check out the Tesla trade. And as for GS, listen to my confirmation. Again, look at people. Confirmation is key. Study the videos. Visit daily. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for listening. Don't forget to like the video.